I am the Lord, the God of all mankind. Is anything too hard for me? This is the question that God asked Jeremiah for the people. Is anything too hard for him? Don't ask God for these little mediocre things. Don't say, God, can I please pay my rent? Ask him to be a landlord. Don't say, God, put some food on the table. Ask him to own the grocery store. Ask him to be an entrepreneur. Ask him to have your own business. For our God is a big God. He owns, he controls everything. He is the uncreated creator. Ask God for the big things. Don't think that is too small. He is your father and you are a child of the Most High King. Ask him for anything. Hey, I am about to do an ultimate clean. Oops. But guys, you see my hair? What does this look like? Comment down below. What does this look like? What does this look like, y'all? What does this look like? Comment down below. I'll tell you guys on one of these videos. I'll tell you guys on one of these videos what happened. But I'm about to clean up, guys. I'm about to do it really quick. Speaking, I wish I had some clips, but my daughter, when she was moving, she took all my clips. I literally had two type of clips, the open one and the bobby pins. And they were in jars like these because I buy them like this. Both of them were gone. So now I don't like to put some clips in my hair so it can stay up in place. What happened to my hair? Was I tired of looking a mess with my natural hair? And I had to keep braiding it. So I decided to not be natural anymore. What happened to my hair? I can't wait for Babe to see it. Ooh, I can't wait for his reaction. I'm gonna have to put this back on. Oh, maybe I can put this on and it stay in place. Let's see. What happened to my hair, guys? Okay guys, so let's get into this cleaning. I do apologize for this video being posted this late. One of my videos, for some reason I could not get it transferred, and I finally got it done this morning, so hence me completing the editing of this video. So I'm just now doing the voiceover. I have you guys on my regular stand. I think I need to switch to my face tracker so I don't have to worry about moving the camera. So the first thing I'm working on is my bathroom. The reason why I'm doing the bathroom first is because if I don't do the bathroom first, it always gets sometimes left back either for the evening or it gets put off until the following day. Don't ask why. I don't know. Probably I get tired or something. And my intention is to clean the entire house, right? So, yeah. So that's why I'm starting off with the bathroom first. So what I use to clean my sinks with is I would use the Pine Sol or Fabuloso. I used to use like Clorox and stuff, but I find like the Clorox is starting to dry up my skin. So that's why I don't put Clorox anymore, but I'll just use like the Fabuloso. And then I use this Miss Myers to, it's a multi-purpose cleaner. So I'll use that to do everything else, like wipe down the counters or the mirrors. It's not good for mirrors, especially with these cloths that I'm using. I got these cloths from Tumi, and they're okay, but I don't find they're not that good quality microfiber cloth, right? So yeah, guys, I cannot wait to the day come when I can renovate this bathroom. This one is above me. I've done what I could do with it, which is I replaced the countertops. I redid the doors for the vanity, and I restained the vanity to the color that it is right now. But what I want to do is definitely extend my shower, put glass doors on the shower, redo the floors, maybe change out the tub. Yeah, those are the type of stuff that I definitely want to do in this space. But I know it's gonna cost a pretty penny. So this is one of my spaces that I kind of I just work with what I have in this space. But I can't wait until the day that I say, you know what, I am renovating my bathroom. Yeah, the way I want this bathroom to be is gonna be so spa-like. So like all that stuff on the wall, I will have like nothing on the wall because I'm like going with that spa-like feel. Yeah, so right now I have those two shelves because when I put stuff away, I tend to forget that I have them. So certain stuff that I want to keep out, but I didn't want them on taking up that surface. Okay, so now I'm moving on into the bedroom. Let me tell y'all something. Normally when I do stuff, I get tired of stuff quick. I'm that type of a person. I get tired of stuff quick. And it's not a good thing for me financially, because then you'll see me replacing, right? Because I get tired of stuff. But I'm so in love with my bedroom and my living room. Like totally in love with my bedroom, my living room. These two spaces, has done it for me. The only thing that I would change out in both spaces is my flooring. Like, I would love to get the flooring in this house like redone. That's another thing I have to save up to do. But I would say my house is getting to a place where I'm starting to fall in love with the home. And falling in love with it makes me want to do more things to the space, right? So that's a thing, like falling in love with your space. And I can truly say that my different renovations and stuff I've done to my home were budget friendly. They were budget friendly, and they still gave me that space that I desired. It still gave me that luxurious look that I wanted. And I would say it's because also that I am a designer, but it doesn't mean that you can't get tips from elsewhere. Like, I have gotten tips from other places. Like, I love to watch people such as House of Valentina. I love to watch her channel. As much as she's this great designer, she also, does stuff on a budget. Or I'm just this type of person where I get inspired by a lot of stuff. And when I get inspired, my brain starts to go. And then I start to say, how can I physically accomplish this? Right? So things take a while. When you guys see it, you think like, oh, she just came up with this. Most times I sit and I will look at stuff. Like when I was doing my fireplace wall in my bedroom, I looked at that wall for over 2 months plus before I attacked the wall. I used to sit there, lay on the bed, and I used to look at that wall, and I would design everything in my head. And then when I do jump up and I start to sketch, that's when you know, okay, this is about to go down. So I will look at things for months, and then when I jump up and I sketch, that sketch has to come to fruition. So anytime I sketch, just know she's about to start something in a week to 2 weeks. Like it's about to start. It's about to go down. So, everything that I have done so far in my house has been budget friendly, and it's budget friendly because I did it myself. I know everyone can't do stuff themselves, but what you can do is, you can start to quote stuff out or stop being afraid to try. I'm gonna try. That's me. I'm gonna always try, and then if I fail, I fail. But at least I know I tried. Like the wood floors in my house, we installed those wood floors. Me and my son, we installed them. I think we did my bedroom first. I forgot which space was done first, whether it was my bedroom or downstairs. And we realized that we turned the wood the wrong way. That's why it was so hard for us to install. The click system works the opposite direction, and we was going the opposite direction. So every summertime I would see my floor expand, and I would see some of them open up, and then going into the winter you see them closing back up. So so it's a lot of trial and error and stuff, but I really don't like the dark floor. I'm more into this light, airy vibe. So that's why I would love to get my floors redone. But that's gonna take some time. Yes, guys, you're seeing a clothes change. It's the same day, but the reason why you're seeing a clothes change is because while I was cleaning the bedroom, Babe called me to come and go with him somewhere, and we went on the road and stayed a little longer than normal. So when I came back in the house, of course I wanted to take the pants off that I had on. I was relaxing for a little while, and I was like, girl, you forgot you was doing a video. You forget you got to finish cleaning this house. This house didn't clean 2 days. So I jumped up, got to put the camera on, because I had the room, as you can see, this video started kind of dark. I had the space kind of dark because I was just chilling, and I was like, no, you're gonna finish cleaning this space, and not leave it until tomorrow. The good thing about me going on the road, however, is that I didn't have to clean my kitchen. My son, he's a lot like me. He wanted to cook something, and the kitchen has to be clean to cook. He doesn't do it all the time, but the majority of the time he will clean the kitchen before he starts cooking. So the kitchen was clean, so I didn't have to clean the kitchen. Now these mirrors, the only reason why these mirrors need to be wiped is because baby Zyla, the top ones have a little dust, but she is always in these flipping mirrors. Like, why? Can you just leave them alone? And this beautiful unit that I built here, guys, I am having so many issues with baby Zyla in this unit. One day we were standing having a conversation, and my son turned to me. He said, where did Zyla go? Where is Zyla? But we were hearing her tablet, but we was not seeing Zyla. So I was like, I don't know. Where did she disappear to? The next thing we saw, Zyla coming out of that unit. She was inside there, sitting down on her tablet. And every second, I have to keep telling Zyla, get out of there. Leave it alone. Stop opening the door. Like, why? Like, oh my gosh. She is driving me nuts. with that unit, and why she would not stop going in there. Like, why? Oh, yeah. So that's what I'm going through. Here in this dining room, oh my gosh, like it continuously keep going to a catch-all. And I had to clean it out that day, but it still has stuff in there that shouldn't be in there. Like, I have these pillows that I need to get made for Babe, and every time I'm ready to go make them, there's something that's not in his space. Like, I'm like, oh, I need to go get the scissors, and I'm like, man, I don't feel like going upstairs getting those scissors, and then it gets put off again. So I need to get that done so that I can get this living room. That's the only thing that's in that living room that shouldn't be in there, which is the 4 pillows, the sewing machine. Like, I need to get that stuff out of there, right? Okay, family, that's the end of the video. So if you made it to the end of the video, I want you to leave a comment below and say end. Okay? Comment end. Bye for now. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.